In 1 minute today with Allo and the girl with spoon, we're making Sabudana Kheer. In a non-stick pan, add some water and half a liter milk. On a medium flame, keep stirring once in a while and let it come to a boil. Add half a cup of pre-soaked sabudana and let it cook on a medium flame. Scrape the sides and keep stirring. You don't want it to stick to the pan. Once it is reduced to 3/4 of its quantity, turn the flame to low. Add saffron milk, totally optional, and 1/4 cup of sugar. Cook till the sugar is dissolved and kheer has reached your desired consistency. Now add cardamom powder and dry fruits, again totally optional. Do not forget to scrape the sides. One final mix and it's ready.